Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Studio, I am going to show you how you can get your first job on Upwork, and I am also share with you my experience about how I got my first job on Upwork. So let's get started. As you can see that this is my Upwork profile. First, if you are new, then you would have to complete your profile 100% on Upwork, and it would be better if you complete your readiness test on Upwork. That would help you a lot. And then search related to your jobs, and always read your jobs carefully, understand what the clients are saying, and then reply to them accordingly and send them proposals accordingly. Before sending proposals, make sure that the client's payment method is verified and the clients have spent some money on Upwork. So that would be a proof that the client is authentic, and you can check his feedback. Is he she a good client or not a good client? If he has a good experience with other freelancers, then most probably he would have a good experience with you as well. Then you can check how many proposals have been sent to this. Most of the time I prefer the ones have less than 20 proposals. I prefer those jobs because if there are more than 20 proposals, there are 20 to 50 proposals, the competition would be increased very much. Now this is the job I like, for example. Now open it, and then now you can see the details of your clients, etc., the location of your client, how much jobs he has posted. This client has a bit lower, higher rate, and you can see his average hourly paid price, and then you can check these hourly rates. Now you can check the feedback, and most importantly, you have to read the details of your client. This client needs to hire two freelancers. So if you want to submit your proposal, click on submit your proposal and then write a detailed proposal about what will you do and what will be the process. Let me show you my job, my first job. This was my first job. This was actually about building a website and then customizing it according to my client's needs, etc. Actually, I'm a WordPress developer, so I worked as a WordPress developer on Upwork as well. And I hope this will motivate you about how you can work on Upwork and earn money through Upwork. That's it. I think this was helpful for you. If this was helpful, then give a thumbs up to this video and share this video. And kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.